Hello there. Good day. Welcome to STEAMCUBE. In today's video, you're going to see how you can log into the STEM class platform of STEAMCUBE. This will be your initial login, and while you do this initial login, you will be asked to set a new password. Once you have received an email from support@steamcube.in, it will be a welcome email which lists your user credentials with the username and password and the other details. You can note the username and the password, and you can log in into our platform. So you can use any of the browser of your choice. Here I'm using the Firefox, and in the address bar, you can just type in https double slash stemclass.steamcube.in. I'm repeating it, https colon double slash stemclass.steamcube.in. The same URL will be available with you in the welcome email. You can note from there also and hit the enter button. You will be presented with the STEM class platform and the sign in page. Here, use your email address or the username given in the welcome email. And pass the password that you received and click on the login button. Now you will be presented with this particular screen where you have to change your password or set a new password. Since this is the initial login, you will have to go through this step, but for the next login onwards, you will not be asked this step. So supply the current password that you use to log in, and then you can supply a new password. The only constraint here is it should be the number of characters should be greater than 6. And click on the change password. If everything is set correctly, you should see this particular pop-up saying your new password is changed, and it will redirect you to the sign in page again. Here, now use the same login ID or the username and the password that you have set, the new password that you have set. Click on the login. You should now land onto the home page of yours, and this completes the initial login step and the change password step. Thank you.